Recently, I've seen TikTok videos talking about a press release that reports finding 8 cylindrical pillars descending down 648 meters or nearly 2,000 feet in freedom units underneath the Pyramid of Khafre, and I am disappointed to see the lack of skepticism from the TikTok community of their wild claims. To begin, we can start with the fact that this is a press release. In other words, these people are claiming to have made this insane discovery, and while they did show SAR imaging, this is not as case closed as it may seem, but we will get to that. It has not been peer-reviewed or anything, which is the stage that is incredibly important for really determining whether or not this is true. Another problem is the method by which they scanned underneath the base of the pyramid. They used a thing called SAR, which stands for Synthetic Aperture Radar, and we know that when it comes to ground penetration, there are problems that need to be addressed. One of them is the reliability of ground penetration for the pyramids and the rock it is built on, which is why with any remote surveying, we need to ground truth this radar information before being able to rely on it for drawing any serious conclusions. Another problem that we need to address is the depth that they can actually penetrate reliably, which according to a paper called ML-based approach for inverting penetration depth of SAR signals over large desert areas, it says the average signal penetration depths over the paleo channels, sandy plains, and rocks and man-made features are 2.84 meters, 1.97 meters, 1.21 meters respectively. To put this in freedom units, it goes 9.31 feet, 6.46 feet, and 3.96 feet. The scientists of the press release would have to show that their methods are far more accurate at much lower depths, which we will see with more research. The likelihood that there are 8 cylindrical pillars descending to a depth of 648 meters is unlikely based on what we have so far. I very well could be wrong, but the confidence of the videos I've seen acting as if that we've seen all 8 pillars in person are seriously overstating their case. I am overjoyed to see people interested in archaeology, but we have to be more careful not to fall into conspiracy theory traps, and this is one. So, for anyone actually wondering if the claims made are true, look into it and make sure people aren't jumping the gun. Anyway, thank you for watching, and remember to never stop learning.